right? It's thick. This is the gracilis. It's also thick. So they actually cover the whole leg. Okay, so that's unique on cats. Okay, so I'm gonna separate them. Okay, and the femoral vessels comes in between them. Okay, so once I cut it open, sorry, femoral vessels. This is the sartorius. That's your sartorius.
That's why it's missing.
See how wide it is? Okay. Sartorius. That's a muscle from lateral to medial. Now the gracilis, remember it continues with the sartorius. It's also wide. Okay. This is your gracilis. So it covers up to here. So the fibers. Okay, so that is your gracilis, your sartorius, right? So the same thing as here. Sartorius, gracilis. Okay, I'm gonna cut them to expose the inside. Cut off the sartorius. I'm gonna expose the quads. Okay. Cut off the gracilis. I'm gonna expose the adductors. Gracilis is also part of your adductors. Okay. See that? Those are your adductors. Adductor. Okay. The one that pulls your leg away. Okay. Now, so I removed the sartorius. So, see the muscle that attaches to the patella? Okay, that's your rectus abdominis. I mean, yeah, no, rectus is not. Rectus femoris. Okay, remember these are your quads. All this your RVVV, right?
RVVV.
Okay, so I'm gonna separate the rectus abdominis. No, rectus femoris. And up to here. This is your rectus femoris, one of your quads, right? And I know it's a rectus femoris because that actually the one continues to the patella. The muscle on this side, close to the rectus femoris, is called your RVVV. Vastus what? Lateralis. Okay, how about the muscle medial to that? Vastus. Medialis. Okay. Intermedius is inside.
Oh, intermediate.
You won't be able to see it. Okay. So rectus femoris, vastus medialis, vastus lateralis. Okay. Now let's go on to the adductors. Okay. Now don't be confused about this. The bottom portion is a semi-membranosus. Okay. So you might actually think it's an adductor because it goes together with the adductors. This is going to be part of the semi. Okay. So if I close the gracilis. This is tendinosus, this is membranosus. Okay, but if you want to actually identify it above, okay, the first muscle above the adductors is, it's actually a small one close to the femoral vessels. See the femoral vessels? See that muscle there? That small muscle here is your pectineus muscle. Okay, pectineus, close to the femoral vessels. Okay, next muscle, what do you call that muscle? No, on the adductor graph. Adductors. Adductor? Femoris?
Oh, okay.
Okay, the magnus, right? Let's see if they have that. adductor longus and then the femoris. Okay? Longus and the femoris. If you notice, the femoris is actually made out of two muscles. Okay.
Adductor femoris.
Like the
Pectineus, adductor longus, and adductor femoris. Okay.
Oh, it's
So
two
that
muscles?
means two muscle.
It's actually made out of two. Okay. This and this.
Which one is a femoris?
Both of those.
Oh, both of them.
Which one is the longest?
This one.
What about the one apart?
That's your pectineus.
Pectineus.
So
And then this is the longest.
Longest,
And then this
femoris.
is the femoris.
Yeah, femoris back here. Okay. So there's actually two of them.
the longest is really little.
The small.
Yeah.
Here, yeah, the smaller one.
And the pectineus is actually the one also little, close to the femoral vessels. So it's above. Okay. Now this is going to be your semis. Okay? So we finished with quads, adductors. Now let's go to the hamstrings. Okay. And the hamstrings. Okay, it's best to actually look at the hamstrings at the back. Okay. Okay. So remember the hamstring. There's BSS, right? Okay. There's actually a cavity in between them. Okay. I can actually separate them into two sides. I think this is called. Okay. So you can actually separate it. So the muscle, okay, hamstring, right? The muscle on the lateral side is your biceps femoris. Remember, it's curtain, right? The muscle, the lateral side of the hamstring, biceps femoris,
Yeah.
all this. And these are the two semis around this area. Okay? One is membranosus and the other one's tendinosus. Tendinosus is superficial. Okay, so take a look at this muscle back there. So this muscle is your tendinosus, the muscle below, membranosus. Okay, so this is your tendinosus. I can actually go through here too.
Tendinosis.
Okay, so the tendinosus is on top, and I want you to feel it because it's round. Membranosus is flat. Okay, so it's gone.
Oh.
Okay, feel this.
Oh yeah. Okay, so this is
It's round.
So
Okay.
that's like
Is this the membranosus?
No, that's your tendinosus.
Is this the membranosus?
The membranosus is the one at the bottom right there.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
What's this? Gracilis? Or
That's
gastrocnemius?
Your gastrocnemius right
Yeah,
there.
yeah. Your
Okay.
calf?
Yeah. So feel the tendinosus is round. Membranosus is actually flat. Now take a look at the membranosus. You're gonna turn it around. Okay. This is your membranosus, right? Tendinosus, membranosus. I should have actually dissected this one. Yeah. Again, let's dissect this one. Okay. So in between them, see, I can actually put a cavity there. Okay. So there's the biceps femoris going to the lateral side. A little bit of cavity. Okay. So this is going to be the biceps femoris, right? This is going to be your semis, two semis, right there. There's two of them. Okay, this is your tendinosus,
Oh, semitendinosus, semimembranosus,
semimembranosus.
and gastrocnemius.
Uh-huh. And then take a look. I'm going to hold the membranosus, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Turn it around.
Oh.
So the membranosus is also seen here where the adductors are. So don't get confused. Okay, you might actually make a mistake. So the most bottom portion
Is the membranosus?
is the membranosus, and this is your semitendinosus,
Yeah.
and this is your semimembranosus. Adductor, okay, this is your adductor femoris, remember two of them, adductor longus, and the pectineus.
Penis, the longest, and then which one?
The adductor longus and adductor femoris. This is the two adductor femoris. Okay.
What are these two?
Your adductor femoris.
Oh, both of them considered?
Yeah, both
okay.
of them. Now, this is membranosus, this is tendinosis. So don't be confused because you can actually see it here also.
Okay, so,
But in reality, it's at the back. See that?
yeah.
So this is a medial curtain, the lateral curtain.
Is it going to be the same for us?
No, more, ours is more separated. This got its cellulite. Cellulite.
So you like, what is that? Fat?
Fat around that area.
The one that you see, like,
Waves.
yeah, wait, like, I'm not sure.
So what's the treatment of cellulite?
You cannot, you can't put cream for it to fade away, but it doesn't fade away.
The cream is actually to dehydrate that area because water and oil does not mix.
Yeah.
So in order for you to remove that, not remove, temporarily actually make it cosmetically better, dehydrate that area. And that's the cream that they actually put on there.
But then they also have that machine that they put in the
Uh-huh.
water with the whey and all that.
Yeah, you could do that.
But then does it really work though? 'Cause
Temporarily, yeah.
but then in the long run, you
It's
have
still
to,
going to come back there because your body will always store fat. And your body will always have water.
you have to really burn that fat up for your skin to pull together for it to fade away.
You have to burn your body fat. Okay, now last one. Triceps array. The muscles tibialis anterior. Okay. I didn't even see your arms yet. So, after this, okay, I need your buttocks. Cat buttocks. Okay, now go to the part where the buttocks is. Okay, you wanna get some paper towels
I'll get some water.
so that it doesn't actually go in your pants.
You mean the back part?
No, the buttocks part.
It's right here.
Yeah. Okay, now take a look at the buttocks part.
Where the curves are.
Take a look at the buttocks part. You have a way to what do you call this? Landmark. So landmark there is going to be sartorius. Okay, take a look at the sartorius. There's your sartorius right here, right? Okay. So take a look where the sartorius is.
It's right here.
Okay. Now the sartorius is here. So this bump is called the
Gluteus
Gluteus
gluteus medius. Next bump is called the
tensor fasciolatus.
oh no, the tensor fasciolatus is going to be here. Okay. The next bump of the buttocks.
Oh, I mean
Gluteus
gluteus maximus.
Gluteus maximus. Medius maximus and then the
Caudo
femoralis. Okay. So I want you to relieve that and see that those muscles. Okay. So this is your landmark, sartorius. Okay. Sartorius. Then look at the gluteus and then expose the gluteus first.
They show us.
Thought that.